whole deal is, not only is that creepy, but I mean, you're actually somebody's dad. You know what I'm saying? I have appropriated. Chase that ball. Here we go.
Come on.
Keep it on.